In today's video, we'll be connecting Zoho CRM to WordPress using FuseWP. To begin, we'll need to set up the integration, so we'll hover over FuseWP and click on Settings. And on the Settings page, we're going to scroll all the way down until we find Zoho CRM. We'll click Configure, then Connect to Zoho CRM. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to see a screen asking me to confirm the connection. I'm going to click on this checkbox to allow the connection. I'll click on Accept, and we should be connected. We can always scroll down and return to the integration module to confirm the connection. So if we click on Configure, we'll see that the connection is successful. So we're going to try to sync some contacts with Zoho. We'll go to User Sync, and on this page, we're going to add a sync rule. The source will be user roles, and we can now add a destination. We can choose either a specific role or any roles. Then we'll go ahead and select the integration using the drop-down menu here. And of course, it's going to be Zoho CRM. Now we can select a module. We'll use contacts. And the rest of these options are optional, but in your case, you can go ahead and configure them. So here we have custom fields, and by default here, we're mapping the first name field as text to Zoho CRM's first name field. The same is being done for the last name field. If you need to, you can click on this button to map another custom field. So since we're done with our configuration, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And once our settings are saved, we can go ahead and test out the configuration with a registration form. So I'm going to enter some random user information and click on Add User. And as soon as the user is added, we'll see a success message. Then we can jump over to Zoho CRM, and I'm going to go ahead and find contacts, which is here on the list. And here we can see the user that we registered showing up as a contact in Zoho CRM. So we're going to explore one more example where we can attempt to sync a newsletter subscriber. So back in User Sync, I'm going to add a new sync rule. And this time our source is going to be WP Forms. Now our source item will be newsletter signup form. And once again, we'll add a destination. The event will be after form submission, and our integration will be Zoho CRM. And next, we'll select a module, and that could be either contacts or leads. And again, we're going to skip all of these optional items except custom fields. So here we're going to map email address to Zoho's email address field. We'll map first name, and then we'll tackle last name. So once we're done with our mapping, we can go ahead and click on Save. And once our settings are saved, we'll go ahead and access the newsletter signup form so that we could test out this sync rule. So I'm going to enter some random information and click on the Submit button. And now we can hop over to Zoho CRM to see if it was synced. So here in Zoho CRM, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. So here's our latest contact. So this is how you connect Zoho CRM to WordPress using FuseWP. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.